Hi folks, today I am going to show how to add BuiltWith Bookmarklet to your Chrome browser. So from our blog post, you have to locate the script. This is the Bookmarklet script. Click copy. Now you have to add this Bookmarklet to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to do it by right clicking here and open the bookmark manager. From here I'm going to add it as a new bookmark. I'm going to type build with, and for the URL I'm going to paste my script. As you can see, it's already paste the script we got from the blog post. Now save it. You can see that bookmark appear on your Chrome bookmarks manager. Like now, when you go to a website and try to click on that bookmark, see, it's going to open in a new page with that build with bookmark. Thank you.